Sahide.
Çökerken sahile.
Çökerken sahide.
Sahile.
Sahile. Birisi bir duman.
Gece sinsi bir duman.
Gecesi bir sinir.
Gece sinsi bir duman.
Gecesi sinir.
Gece.
All right, so here we are. The bike is loaded up, and this just in general is how you go up a bike. We have the strap in the middle, so it doesn't, rock side to side. Then we have a hook in the front and a hook in the rear to pull it from both areas. That way, it doesn't fall off the back.
Why'd you get the carburetor, not the seat?
No, I mean, I could.
I'm just saying. Just throwing it out there.
This is a family heirloom, so I'm just. You guys look like you know what you're doing.
Yep.